Hi everyone, my name is Kush and this is my submission for the Hack2Impact FosterNation track. So the requirement for this track was to create a chatbot or a help desk which could be integrated into the existing or the upcoming FosterNation website and serve as a one-stop solution for anyone who has queries about the NGO in general. So this is what I've created. It's a iframe embeddable web app which can be put on directly in the website as an iframe or even as a pop-up in the corner, and it's built on SvelteKit and it's powered by a Node.js backend. It uses authentication in order to make sure the user is signed in to prevent DDoS or spam attacks. It also has multiple layers of security built into it so that people cannot abuse the LLM which is being used to create and generate all the responses. So as the requirements were, the first step which the chatbot does is that it asks the user a preset set of questions with predetermined flows. All of this is determined by a dichotomous key which exists on the backend. So for example, it starts off by asking what type of assistance you're looking for. So let's say you're looking for housing assistance. Then it's going to ask you what kind of housing support do you need. Is it finding housing or renting? Let's click on finding. Then it gives a response which links to some more resources and also some other text which it responds with. All of this is pre-fed information, and in most cases this should be sufficient enough for the person to find a good enough solution. In case they don't, it then opens up this text box at the bottom where they can send in a message. So you can send something like does FosterNation have housing? And right now it's using GPT 3.5 in order to create responses. It may not be accurate because it is not fed with the entire context window of the FosterNation knowledge base. We can use different models which have a low cost and larger context window. It's a very simple change and it can be easily adapted as per the organization's need. And as you can see, it responded with appropriate remark. And the great thing about this is that it has inbuilt protection in it. So if I ask something which is not relevant, such as a random question, what is the tallest building in the world? I can also make typos, it should sort out for that. Then it's going to have an appropriate response. It will tell me the question is not appropriate and to ask a question about FosterNation. So this ensures that people cannot have or make DDoS attacks or spam the server with a bunch of these requests which can cost us a lot in tokens. So this is a great solution and a pretty bulletproof and foolproof way of integrating a chatbot, and as of its current state right now it's completely ready to ship and can be integrated into the website even right now. I have also included authentication, as I said. So right now it says sign in as Lucas, are you not Lucas? Then I can hit log out. It should log me out and it gives me this very clean and very nice authentication flow, and I can sign in with Google. So let's say I enter with another account, let's say this one, which is my personal account. You can see that it has changed my name at the bottom over here, and if I send in a message, let's say go to flow again, it also changes my profile picture. And this also helps a lot in authentication and preventing attacks because you need to go through the whole authentication flow every single time that you are attempting to converse with the chatbot. Thank you.